Coming here and talking to so many different people, I realized that Endeavour is actually one of the innovators in the energy industry.
When I saw their value and their missions, I just thought I want to be a part of it and to learn what they are doing, and I want to know how they are playing in the industry.
Everyone is very involved in terms of what they're doing, so it's not just designers are sitting behind a computer and that's it. Designers go out to site and see what they're doing.
Looking at how the technology has advanced was really memorable.
I'm very fortunate about all the things I've worked on because I can actually see an impact on what they can have on the business.
Going down the street and seeing one of my designs, it's just that cathartic feeling of walking down the street and you're like, huh, I designed that.
Everyone here is so friendly and they love teaching you, and they always will put time aside to support you when needed.
There's a good community here that supports each other in what we do.
I would say the best experience I ever had working with a team. At the end of 12 weeks, you're going to definitely learn something really great, which will be helpful.